Fuck this phone. Okay, that's that. Hello and welcome to the Prom 9. Today, we're going to say fuck this phone because it just fucked up a video. But we have the, not image intensified camera, the night vision scope, actually in a state where it's built and complete and all the glue's drying because I've used a lot of silicone sealant. The batteries are charging. This one has charged. These are all pulled out of old laptop batteries because they're a great source of 18650 cells. And I have a whole load sitting in a drawer down there. And so we have our lovely, beautiful, not completely like 5-year-old arts and crafts night vision scope. The top battery container, which is this long tube that looks a bit like a dildo, is actually for like pills you drop in like water to flavour it and give like electrolytes for exercise and that, because I'm a bit of a cyclist nut. Then we got some film canisters. Yes, film canisters are a very common thing for me because because I also love photography. We got CCTV lens off an old broken security camera. And the mount, which is standard CCTV C mount, was actually pulled off the image intensified camera. CFL driver from an old scanner. The housing is made from a baking soda container. You can see why all this comes from. And the eye cup lens thing is basically pulled from an old CRT viewfinder that's actually, you can kind of see the cable hanging down from it there. Oh look, another security camera. Yeah, might notice a bit of a pattern. Now, don't fuck up phone this time. So we'll take the back end off. And what I did is, the tube's gooped in a lot of silicone, but what I did, and you might be able to see this through the lighting, is I basically created a sort of worm gear, and I siliconed these. I got like plastic dowels that you'd use to hold furniture together, trim them down a bit, drilled a hole through them, have 2 bolts tightening them onto the screw, which I then epoxied to the plastic dowel, and then a screw. Then behind this screw is like either another screw, which is held in with Loctite type stuff, or I had some lock nuts, which was actually quite useful, nylon nut things, 2 of them, so one of them had to be tight. So I basically did that, painted the inside to minimize light coming through the plastic, not 100% but works good enough. And so yeah, it really is that simple. And then the voltage multiplier lives up there. I've siliconed over where sparks, it was actually sparking out of this and zinged me yet again, because why the hell not? So hopefully I've got all the points where sparks are trying to escape. And now we will show you it powered on. So let me just put it all back together and put you guys down here. I know this is such professional video making at its finest. Come on. Okay, you're just going to have to look at the floor like that for the moment while I just put this together. I tried to get you mounted properly, but gravity was being a bitch, so blame gravity. In fact, blame gravity for everything. It's always gravity. Oh shit, I just broke my glue. I heard it snap. God. Oh no. Oh well, we're going to carry on with the demonstration anyway. Trying not to break anything else. Oh no, that just broke. No, we just broke that off. Oh my god, this battery connector will probably have to be redesigned because this thing is absolutely fucking shit. It falls apart as I try to oh dear, we don't have the trouble is I don't have the patience to wait for the glue to dry. I just don't. I have 0 patience. So anyone who would have, yes, there's a bit of a problem there. Oh god, what the hell is the clip supposed to connect to? Oh dear. No, okay, you're gonna have to face the floor again. Sorry, bitches, nothing I can do. Mmm, smells of silicone. Yum. A tasty treat. Yeah, hang on. I might be able to... Yes, we can very precariously hold this in touching, like that. There we go. Oh, look! The power switch fell off. Oh, for fuck's sake. Seriously? Right, now we need to turn the lights off. Oh, it's all just falling apart. Oh my god, this is annoying. Oh, and just to add insult to injury, it's not even powering up now. You are. You are kidding me. It's not even fucking powering. Oh. No, that is the right way around. Oh, it would help if I turned the power on, wouldn't it? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I'm not going to do shit without power. There we go. Oh, it's all falling apart. Okay, I definitely need to do some read. Oh, for fuck's sake! This is why we were not born with enough hands. But the camera probably won't focus on the screen properly. But it's good enough to get the image across. It works! It lives! It's just my mechanical design is shit, so it's currently falling apart. So, yeah, I'll end the video here. But yeah, it's basically complete.